Migrating your email setup and found PKF files in your Outlook data directory. These contain address book data from your email configuration. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's how to manage and migrate these Outlook personal address book files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful PKF file inspection tool. PKF files are data files associated with Microsoft Outlook's personal address book and contact management features. They contain cached address book information, contact lists, distribution group data, and email address resolution data used by Outlook for autocomplete suggestions and address book lookup operations. PKF files are data files associated with Microsoft Outlook's personal address book and contact management features. They contain cached address book information, contact lists, distribution group data, and email address resolution data used by Outlook for autocomplete suggestions and address book lookup operations. The proper file association links PKF directly to the Microsoft Outlook solution by Microsoft Corporation. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows can preview limited elements, but meaningful analysis relies on the software that produced the file. The solution begins by testing the installed programs. Right-click the PKF file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Outlook as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your application testing. If the PKF file won't budge, stay calm. The PKF file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, let Outlook manage the files. PKF files are created and maintained automatically by Microsoft Outlook. They reside in the Outlook data directory and are read during application operation. Do not manually edit or move these files. Outlook regenerates them as needed from the underlying contact store and Exchange Server directory. Next, reset address autocomplete. If Outlook suggests incorrect or outdated email addresses, the PKF cache may contain stale data. Close Outlook and navigate to the Outlook data folder. Delete the PKF file and the NK2 or Rome cache autocomplete files. Restart Outlook and the address suggestion cache rebuilds from current contact and directory data. Finally, migrate address data. When migrating to a new computer or Outlook profile export, your contacts to CSV or VCF format rather than copying PKF files directly. Use Outlook's file, then open and export. Then import Export Wizard to export contacts. Import the exported contact file on the new system for a clean address book migration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.